Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create your account on CoinEX. And for this, we go to their website, and then from here it's already saying that you can fill in your email address and then click on sign up. So what we're gonna do right now, we are filling in our email address, and then after that we click on sign up. Then right now we need to create a password right there, so we will do this too. And then after that we click here on sign up. Then we click here on send code. And then we need to select here the drinks and then the bowl and this one, and then we do OK. Then right now they sent a verification to our email. So we go to our email and check right there for the verification. All right, there it is. Now we copy and paste this. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Then we do confirm. And then right now we click here on got it. And boom, there's our account. So it's that easy. And this is exactly how you can create your CoinEX account. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.